guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fast forward a TikTok, and if you don't have this feature, how to get it. So I just got my fast forward feature. As you can see, this is one of my videos, and I'm going to show you how to get it too. 1 week ago I didn't have this feature, and I will show you what I did to get it. So you will have to go to Play Store and make sure that your TikTok app is fully updated. After that, you have to go to your settings and then scroll down to apps. And then you have to search for TikTok. And here you'll have to clear the data and the cache. So go to storage. And here you have to click on clear data and clear cache. So don't worry guys, if you clear your data and your cache, your account will remain the same. Nothing will be deleted. You will still have your followers, your conversation, your videos, everything will be the same. So after that, go back and then go to your TikTok app again. And now you will have to log in again. So that's it guys. As you can see, I've logged in. So after that, if you still don't have your fast forward feature, you just have to click on these 3 points in the right corner from the top of the page. Go down and click to report a problem. So here I'm showing you what I did 1 week ago. And then click on videos and sounds. And then click on playing videos. And then you have to click on other. So here you will have again to tap on no, our problem is not solved. And then click on need more help. And here you will have to write this. So I will show you in a minute. You will have to write this text. So I will put the text in the description box below for you, okay? So you have to type this right here, and you can also add some picture to show them that you really don't have this future and what you're saying is true. So that is what I did 1 week ago. Click on report, and after that you will get your future. As you can see, now I have it. I can fast forward my videos. You will get your fast forward feature in less than 2 days, and TikTok will solve your problem. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can go and smash that like button, and you can also comment down below your thoughts. And if you are not already subscribed, you can go ahead right now and do it. So thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.